Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy tutorial on how to change the font style in Gmail on your PC, especially after the latest update. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to gmail.com. Once you're on the main page, log into your account if you haven't already. Now that you're in your inbox, look to the top bar of the page. You'll find a gear icon. Click on that. This icon gives you access to various settings. After you click the gear icon, a menu will pop up. Click on See All Settings at the top of that menu to open up the full settings page. You'll now be in the settings overview. From here, head over to the General section. Scroll down until you see the default text style option. This is where the fun begins. Now here you can customize your font style to your liking. You'll see options for font type, size, and formatting. So feel free to experiment until you find a look that suits you best. Whether you prefer something classic or a bit more modern, you've got plenty of choices. Once you've made your changes, don't forget to scroll down to the bottom of the page. You'll need to click on Save Changes for your new font settings to take effect. And that's it. You've successfully changed the font style in Gmail on your PC. Enjoy sending emails that look just the way you like them. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.